We often think of education as simply acquiring knowledge. We memorize facts, learn formulas, and study history. But what if I told you that education goes much deeper? What if it could actually change your genes? It sounds like science fiction, but it's a new frontier of science called epigenetics. This field is revolutionizing our understanding of how our environment, especially education, shapes who we are. It's a fascinating journey into the heart of our cells, where learning leaves its mark not just on our minds, but on our very DNA. For years, we believed our genes were our destiny. We inherited them at birth, and that was that. But epigenetics throws that idea out the window. Think of your DNA as the hardware of a computer. The epigenome is like the software telling the hardware what to do. It controls which genes are turned on or off, influencing everything from our health to our behavior. Here's the kicker: the epigenome is dynamic. It responds to our environment, including our experiences in the classroom. This means that education has the power to shape our biology, influencing how our genes express themselves. Imagine a classroom that's more than just textbooks and lectures. Picture a space where learning is dynamic and engaging, a place that goes beyond the traditional methods of teaching, a place where creativity is encouraged, critical thinking is celebrated, and students are inspired to think outside the box, and emotional intelligence is nurtured, helping students to understand and manage their emotions effectively. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's a recipe for positive epigenetic changes, which can have lasting impacts on a student's overall well-being. When we engage in creative activities, we activate different parts of our brain, strengthening neural connections and enhancing cognitive flexibility. Critical thinking challenges us to question, analyze, and form our own opinions, leading to a more adaptable and resilient mind. It encourages students to look at problems from multiple perspectives. And emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage our emotions, is crucial for building healthy relationships and navigating the complexities of life. It helps students to empathize with others and handle social interactions with grace. By fostering these skills in the classroom, we're not just shaping young minds, we're shaping their epigenomes, setting the stage for a healthier and more fulfilling life. This holistic approach to education prepares students for the challenges of the future, equipping them with the tools they need to succeed both academically and personally. The impact of enriched learning environments on epigenetics is more than just a theory. Studies have shown that rats raised in stimulating environments with toys, mazes, and social interaction have different gene expression in their brains compared to those raised in barren cages. These changes are linked to improved learning, memory, and stress response. While more research is needed on humans, early studies suggest similar effects. Children exposed to high-quality early childhood education programs show positive changes in brain development, language skills, and social emotional behavior, suggesting that enriched learning can indeed leave a lasting mark on our genes. So how do we create these transformative learning environments? It starts with fostering a love of learning. Make learning fun, engaging, and relevant to students' lives. Encourage curiosity and questioning. Create a safe space for students to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from their experiences. Incorporate hands-on activities, group projects, and real-world problem solving into the curriculum. Promote social emotional learning through mindfulness exercises, conflict resolution skills, and discussions about empathy and compassion. Remember, every interaction, every lesson, every experience has the potential to shape a child's epigenome. Let's make those interactions count. The ripple effect, positive learning, and long-term well-being. The benefits of positive learning environments extend far beyond the classroom. They create a foundation for lifelong growth and development. Studies have linked enriched learning to improved mental and physical health, showing that students who thrive academically also tend to lead healthier lives. These environments foster greater resilience in the face of adversity, helping students to navigate challenges with confidence and determination. Additionally, they contribute to increased earning potential later in life, opening doors to better career opportunities and financial stability. When children feel supported, engaged, and empowered in their learning, they are more likely to develop a love for education that lasts a lifetime. This positive reinforcement sets the stage for a lifetime of success, both personally and professionally. They are more likely to graduate from high school, pursue higher education, and achieve their academic and career goals. Furthermore, they are more inclined to contribute positively to their communities, engaging in activities that promote social well-being. The impact of positive learning is a ripple effect, spreading outward to touch many lives. It touches not just the lives of individual students, but also their families, who share in their successes and growth. Ultimately, it benefits entire communities and future generations, creating a cycle of positivity and progress that continues to expand. A call to action, investing in a brighter future. Understanding the link between education and epigenetics is more than just an academic exercise. It's a call to action. We must invest in creating enriching learning environments for all children, regardless of their background or circumstances. This means providing access to quality early childhood education, supporting teachers with the resources and training they need, and fostering a culture of lifelong learning in our communities. It's an investment in our collective future, one that will pay dividends for generations to come. Beyond the classroom, epigenetics in the real world. The principles of epigenetics apply beyond the traditional classroom. Every experience we have, every interaction we engage in has the potential to shape our epigenome. This means that creating supportive and stimulating environments is crucial at home, in our communities, and in the workplace. It highlights the importance of nurturing our own mental and emotional well-being through practices like mindfulness, exercise, and social connection. The power to shape our genes is within our grasp. Let's use it wisely. Conclusion: the legacy of learning. We are on the cusp of a new era in education, one where we recognize the profound impact of learning, not just on our minds, but on our very biology. This new understanding opens up endless possibilities for how we approach teaching and learning. By embracing the principles of epigenetics, we can create learning environments that empower students to reach their full potential, not just academically, but also emotionally, socially, and physically. This holistic approach ensures that every aspect of a student's development is nurtured and supported. The legacy of learning extends far beyond the classroom walls. It encompasses the experiences and lessons learned in everyday life, in our communities, and through our interactions with the world around us. It's a legacy that we pass down to future generations, shaping the destiny of humanity itself. The values and knowledge we impart today will influence the leaders, thinkers, and innovators of tomorrow. Let's make it a legacy worthy of our children and the future they will inherit. Together, we can build a world where learning is a lifelong journey, filled with wonder, discovery, and endless possibilities.